Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create these cute coin boxes using paper quilling method. In India we gift silver or gold coins as a return gift in auspicious occasions. So I have decided why not to create something cute to keep these coins. So I have created in 3 different styles and I will show you this green one today. So let's get started. For this we need some 5mm strips, some 3mm strips, liquid glue, quilling mold, one small pearl, ball tool, groove golf tool, quilling tool, scissor, any flower punch of your choice, ink, sponge dauber, embossing pad, cardboard and green color craft paper. First I am starting with making coils. So I am taking half strip of light green color and making one tight coil. Here I am taking 3mm strip. For this box I am taking green and pink color coils. So this is done. We need 76 green coils and 19 pink coils. Now I am taking this cardboard circle which is having 5 cm diameter and I am wrapping it using green color craft paper. Now I am adding one green paper circle which is having same size on top of this. So base is ready. Now taking my green coils and start adding first row on the edge of this circle. In one row I am adding total 19 coils. So first row is ready. Now I am starting with the second row. So I am adding one coil between two coils. Complete this row as well. So my second row is also ready. Now I am starting with the third row. For this I am taking my 19 pink color coils. So third row is ready. Now I will add last 2 rows by adding these remaining green color coils. So in total I am adding 5 rows to create the box. So after adding all 5 rows, the box is ready. Keep it aside for drying. Now I am starting with the lid. For this I am taking 6 pink and 20 green color strips, and here I am taking 5 mm strips, and my one strip length is 45 centimeters. So create a big tight coil. Like this. Just secure the end. The diameter of the lead should be 5 cm. Now taking a quilling mold and just shaping the center part of this tight coil as a dome. And the outer part should be flat, so it should look like a hat. Like this. Now I will add the glue inside the dome and on this flat area, spreading it using my brush and allowing it to dry. Now I am taking these 2 flowers which I got using this flower punch. This is a big size flower punch, and I have used 120 GSM paper to create these flowers. Now using vibrant fuchsia archival ink, I am just coloring both the flowers from front and back from the center using my sponge dauber. You can also use pencil colors, oil pastels, poster colors, any kind of colors to color these flowers. And if you don't have punch, you can just create these flowers using scissors. Now I am just sprinkling some water using my water spray bottle and making these flowers moist from both the sides. Now just taking tissue paper and soaking the excess water. Now taking my embossing pad and using small size groove golf tool, I am making texture. Now just rotate the flower and pinch in the center using ball tool. Now in the center of the flower I am adding glue and connecting the other flower. Then I am adding bunch of pollens in the center. So flower is ready. In the same way I have created 2 more flowers. So in total I am taking 3 flowers. Now take back your lid. Here I have created one ring which fits perfectly inside our box, And to create this ring, I have used 2 strips of light green color 5 mm. Now I will connect this ring with my lead. Like this, and now you can just close your box. So the box is ready. Now it's time to decorate the lid. So take your all flowers and connect these with the lid. Also, I'm adding some small leaves with this. Then on the top I am adding this white color pearl just for the decoration, and to connect this I am using silicone glue. You can use any kind of strong adhesive. So the cute coin box is ready. I am taking this silver coin and putting it inside my box. I have created the box exactly for this coin, and the diameter of my coin box is 3.5 centimeters. So according to your coin, you should create your box. Isn't it a pretty idea to gift in the auspicious occasion? And in the same way, I have created 2 more boxes using pink and purple combination with the same procedure, and decorated the lid using different flowers, and 1 more box using blue color combination. So in this way you can create any color boxes, and here I have used 5 mm strips to create the box. So if you are using 5 mm, you have to add 3 layers, and if you are using 3 mm, you have to use 5 layers. So you can use any size of strips to create these boxes. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I'm waiting for your comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.